Cabinet Minister and Raleigh MLA Comingwan Umbon has advocated for the state to introduce railways, citing the great disadvantages that this mode of transportation has brought to every state in the country, including the Garo Hills, which is connected to the country's railway map. He expressed his support for the idea of establishing a railway link to the Jaintia Hills region and mentioned his recent visit to Garo Hills, where he discovered that people were using the railways to travel from Mendipathar to Guwahati for as little as Rs 30, while taxis charge an astounding Rs 280 per passenger for the same distance.
Small farmer, they carry maybe 1 basket, 2 basket of fruit, any production from there, they can sell to Guwahati. A lot of profit. Even in the essential communities also. Suppose rice in Risu, you get 30 that time. And what that time? In the month of August, I got from the shop, what is the price of this? Rice in Risu is 31 rupees. Here in Shillong is 44 rupees. That much is the difference.